Salam, all BCom 4933 students and everyone who is watching this video. This is series of videos on how to collect and analyze Twitter data. So far, we talked about Netlytic. We talked about tags that you can download a lot of, even to 100,000, more than that. So tags, Netlytic. We talked about SocioViz. We talked about a very powerful Mosday software to download Twitter data as well. Now this is another tool I called it Twitter Leaks. It is I will send you an email to my BCom 4933 students, a dedicated link to download. The current link is up to 5,000. If you want more than that, I will send you up to 18,000. It's a dashboard that I programmed it using R programming. So basically, I will explain to you how does it work. Go to hashtag, click on COVID-19. Now, if you did not select a language here, it will download the tweets in its original language that the tweet was written in. If you choose English, it will only download tweets written in English. If you choose only Arabic, it will download tweets written in Arabic. I will say English. Select 1000, click on search. It says down here, keep calm while collecting COVID-19. I did this on purpose because one of the lectures we have in this class is memes and memetics, and how that memes help ideas get diffused and disseminated. With memes, you can see a lot of memes. Keep calm and do something. Keep calm and do something. So that is, I did that on purpose. Now, khalas, we have the data set has been downloaded. User, tweet, retweets, etc. So basically, you can go to the next page if you want. You can get all the tweets. But an easy way, I would recommend you to come here and click on download the data set. Keep in mind that this Twitter Leaks supports Arabic also. It supports Arabic and support English, Click on that. The data sets will be downloaded. And then next go to, now you can see I try to make it user friendly, so step 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see now the data has been downloaded here. Data 2024, it is there. You can click, you get all the details. Go to step number 2 on the left top corner. Step number 2. So what is step number 2? Is a dashboard. I created a dashboard. So basically, this actually I have hosted the app in a very simple server, not that big capacity, less memory, but it will work. It will help you do whatever. Extracted tweets 1000 as specified, original tweets 172, retweets you have, unique users. There are 950 people interacting. You have top hashtags here. You have top active users as well. You can just right click, save it. You can save it as PDF, replied to, time, now here you can see sentiment analysis, neutral. It doesn't mean it is neutral. It means that the algorithm that I have was not able to classify these messages, whether they are positive or negative. Now here, negative sentiment, that there are 338 tweets that are negative. And I will explain you how I program this algorithm. And there are around 249 tweets that are positive. Now, if I download like 5,000 tweets that span across few days, you will see here the time series plot. Let me go back to step 3, which is tables. Now here, it will indicate how you can see a positive top negative words. The Twitter Leaks gives you like negative words. Dangerous is like 199. Virus is a negative word. It was classified as negative. Brutal was classified as negative. Accusing, poor. You can go to the next page. It's very, so basically maybe this would help you into your analysis. And if you are a researcher and you are watching this video and you would like to do a research, please DM me or shoot me an email, my SQ mail. Best love. Trump here, it counts it as positive because it's from Trump, the word literally meaning of what is Trump, okay? Like a Trump card, important work, like, inspirational. These are positive words. Now you can see that these positive words and negative words were collected from individual tweets. Now you can see here most frequent words, top favorite. Now here, if you want only to analyze top tweets, you have an option to click on top here. Click this one. You can ascend in descending order. For example, this one tweet is the most retweeted messages, followed by this tweet, followed by this tweet. You can click again. There's an option here to click also because of you can go here on left, click on this sign here, so you will see the entire view. Then you can click on the favorite count. It will sort the tweets based on how many for example, this tweet was favorited 25 times. You can sort it in ascending and descending order, okay? And then you have sentiment analysis, negative, positive. So basically what the algorithm does, it goes to each single tweet and it sees how many the number of positive words comparing to the negative words. If positive words are more than the negative words, then it will count the tweet as a positive sentiment, okay? But the most important thing for this class, for your analysis, go to step number 4, social network analysis. This is social network analysis. Okay, so you have here the data set of your network. You can see all tweets, are here. But what I want from you is to download. You can drag and drop this one, for example. The bigger the circle, it means that the person has high between centrality. No, I think degree centrality, yes. But you have two things. You have retweet network. For example, all these guys here are retweeting this person's message. You have mention network. Now, who is mentioning whom? You can see now this is subcluster. I gave a different color to a different, But what you need here, at the bottom here, you can download the network data. You can also download nodes attribute. So let me just go back to the retweet network. You can click here, download the retweet network. It will download as in GraphML. So you can see GraphML has already been downloaded, the bottom left corner. If I click on that, I can open using JFE. Download list of retweet network, click on that. So in your analysis, if you want to analyze clusters and subcomponents, click on this one. You will get an Excel. It has downloaded. Click on the file. Then it will give you the network of COVID-19. Here it is. Let me zoom this. You get here the ID. Then you have the metrics here. Node degree. Number of people in that cluster, For example, cluster number 1, cluster number 2, cluster number 3. Sorry. What it gives you, okay, let me just clarify that. These are all users. These are list of users. They are around 1,000 and something 98 unique users. Okay. It gives you this no degree for each person. Then it gives you membership. Now, if you click here and then sort and then smallest to the largest, say OK. So, for example, I don't know what happened here, but see this one, number 1. So basically, this person and this person and this person, they all belong to cluster number. No, they belong here. I'm looking here. Sorry. They belong to the membership. This and this and this, all of these, they belong to the same cluster, which is cluster number 1. All of these cluster number 1. And then from these guys, NDTV, they belong to cluster number 2, cluster number 2. and this is all these guys belong to cluster number 4. So in your project, final project, if you were to analyze, go to the cluster and see what, now you can download the data set from the main page. For example, this guy and this guy, what are they talking about? You can go to the data collection here, the data, the full data that you have downloaded here. You can see each individual and the tweets. Okay, this is all what you need about Netlytic. I will send you an individual link how to use Netlytic, and here are some of the information. Basically, I designed, this is a credit, I designed this application using the following R packages. Okay guys, for now, stay at home, stay safe.